Now, this car has been missing something for a very long time.
And it's something I've wanted for so long.
And we're going to change that for the small price of £25.
We've already got the rear diffuser and the front splitter.
And what has been missing, some of you guys may be asking.
That's right, we're fitting some side skirt.
But the question is it going to actually transform the car? Or am I going to wish that we never put them on? So, let's go ahead, get the side skirts put on, and I'll show you what the car looks like once we've got them fitted.
And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload on the channel. So, the first step is going to be getting the car jacked up and put onto axle stands so that we can access the side skirt.
Now that we've got the car all jacked up, we can get the first side skirt out and we can measure how long we're going to need, because I believe I'm going to have to cut these down. I'm pretty sure they're 2 meters and I don't think that is quite 2 meters long.
So now we can lay the side skirts on the floor so that we can measure how much we need to cut off.
We're going to cut this one right on there and hopefully that'll be enough.
Now we can go ahead and get our hacksaw out and simply just cut straight through the plastic so that they're the right size to go onto the car.
These two should be exactly the same size, which they are. And these are the bits that we don't want, because who wants that?
Now, this was my best attempt with the weather that we had. It was pouring with rain and I thought I would use masking tape to try and secure it in place so we could test fit it and see how it would fit. However, that didn't exactly go to plan.
Technical difficulties, car nearly fell off the axle stands. We had to get this one just in case. That one's alright on there. I'm taking this one out for now because that ground is kind of uneven. But yeah, I don't know the best way to do this, to be honest, because I can't get the side skirt in there because that axle stand is there. I can't get it underneath that jack point, so I don't know. I'm gonna figure a way out to do this.
So, let's give it our best shot and see if we can get this side skirt installed, because so far it's proven to not be very easy. This took a lot of wiggling, moving, shoving, pushing, you name it, we tried it. And we still didn't manage to get there. So let's try again another day.
Okay, so fast forward about 2 weeks since this thing didn't go to plan. We're gonna try it again, and this time I've got some bigger screws to try it. So let's go ahead and start getting it on. I'm gonna first put it on with duct tape and then hopefully jack the car up and screw it in.
So let's maybe try this again, but this time we have duct tape and it isn't raining. But as it always seems to go, the duct tape didn't work either. So let's give up on that idea and get the drill out instead.
Will that work? It's going to be angled down. Unless
So, now that we've dropped the car, we can go ahead, jack it up from the back and do the same that we did to the rear of the car to the front of the car. And then, hopefully, the side skirt on the left-hand side of the car will be installed.
Okay, so first one is installed after a absolute struggle with trying to jack it up and then get it in place. Now, it's secure enough. I've just put it in with some wood screws, but I haven't actually seen what it's going to look like on the ground yet. Oh my gosh. Do you know what? Let me have a look from over here. Okay, from the back, it looks horrendous. I kind of don't want to keep these on. I don't know why they're angled down. Maybe I mean, I could add some more screws in to try and bring them up a bit. I feel like if it was, I don't know. Right, anyway, let's get on with the other side, and then we might put some more screws in so it levels it out a bit, because at the minute it's angling down, which I don't like.
And this is probably a good time to mention, if you're not already, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload like this on the channel again.
Side skirt number 2, we're going to whiz through this, do exactly the same that we did on this side, on the other side. I am, once we've done that side, going to put some more screws in and try and just get this bit to come up a bit, because as you can see, it's a bit wonky and I don't like how it's pointing down. But if I put a couple of screws in, it should fix it. It's just a bit of a ball ache getting it up in the air again. But let's go ahead, get this side skirt on. We need to connect it first because they are the 3-piece ones.
So, as I just said, let's go ahead, repeat exactly the same process that we did on the other side on this side. We needed to start by rolling the car onto something because the right hand side, especially the way that my driveway slopes down, is too low to fit the jack underneath it. And then, once it's jacked up and put onto axle stands, we can then go ahead and drill the side skirt in. So, I'm moving from the back of the car to the front of the car because that seems to be the easiest way to do this. And then, we just need to put screws the whole way along and we should be good to go.
So we've got them installed. They're not actually as bad as I thought they were going to be. They are just a little bit wonky. But for universal side skirts and just cutting the ends off, they don't look half bad. I'm just going to quickly adjust the other side because this one is pointing down quite a bit, so I'm going to add some more screws in and hopefully bring this bit up. Apart from that one missing a section, they don't look too bad. That side's definitely the best. So we've got the side skirts all installed now, and this is what they look like. Okay, so as you guys can see, side skirts are now all installed. Now, there's positives and there's negatives. Positives, I don't think they're going anywhere. The wood screws that we used have worked an absolute treat. Bad news is, if you go a bit lower, then you can actually see they are a little bit wonky. There's a bit of a dip here, there's a bit of a dip over there. From a distance, they don't look too bad, and they do add that extra little bit onto the car. But for the sake of paying, I think about £25 off eBay for 3-piece, and how easy they were to install when we got there in the end, I don't think it's too bad of a mod. Now, the plan for this car is to go and get some S3 side skirts, but that is for summer because we need to respray them and the weather isn't the greatest at the minute. But of course, if you guys aren't already, remember to click subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I mean, £25 to pretty much complete the whole body kit of the car. We've now got the front splitter, the rear diffuser, and now the side skirts. But I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's watched, and I will see you guys in the next video on the channel.